Have you ever been mid-sentence when the other person suddenly checks their phone? That tiny moment feels bigger than it looks. Today we'll explore what phubbing behavior is, why it hurts, and how to protect your relationships from silent disconnection. So, what is phubbing behavior? It means focusing on your phone instead of the person physically with you. When scrolling or just checking something, your attention shifts. The other person receives a subtle message, even if you didn't intend to send it. Here's why it feels so personal. The brain interprets phubbing as rejection. Research from Baylor University shows phubbing lowers relationship satisfaction and increases loneliness. Even tiny glances can silently communicate, "You're not my priority right now," whether intended or not. Follow Alex through a normal day, coffee with a friend, dinner with family, relaxing at home. Each moment is warm. Until Alex checks the phone slowly, people around Alex talk less, connect less, and begin pulling back. In close relationships, phubbing cuts deeper. Partners who feel ignored experience irritation, sadness, or quiet distance. These small, "I'm not fully here" moments accumulate, not explosively, but slowly, creating emotional erosion that's easy to miss until it's already there. Here's the twist. Most people who phub don't think they're rude. They think they're multitasking. But multitasking with a phone rarely works. What others hear isn't "I'm efficient." It's "you're secondary." And that message changes the relationship. Phubbing doesn't just hurt feelings, it shifts behavior. Someone who feels ignored may withdraw, mirror the phubbing, or start arguments like, "You're always on your phone." A quick moment becomes a larger pattern of tension and distance. So how does phubbing affect relationships long term? Less eye contact, shorter conversations, fewer shared laughs, people open up less, emotional safety shrinks. Two people can sit together yet feel miles apart because attention has drifted somewhere else. Now look inward. When do you phub without realizing it? Do you reach for your phone when silence appears? Do you keep it face up beside you? These small habits teach others to expect half your attention, not your full presence. Here's a quick fix. Pause before reaching for your phone and ask, "Is this urgent?" Park the phone, face down or away. Then choose presence, body, eyes, and attention fully centered on the person who matters. If you've phubbed someone, repair it quickly. Say, "I realized I phubbed you earlier." Offer a reset. "Can we start over? I want to listen." Small repairs rebuild trust and show the relationship comes before the screen. Phubbing isn't just a habit, it's a signal. Now that you understand what phubbing behavior is and how it affects relationships, choose presence. Every moment of attention says, "You matter." Continue with the next video to explore more fascinating ideas.